Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. My name is Dylan, and this is the Rideshare Hub. Now, before this video gets started, go ahead and use the link in the description for a sign-on bonus if you want to be a Lyft driver. If you want to make up to $30 per hour, use that link in the description. All right, so today's video is going to be 3 easy hacks to get more tips as a Lyft and Uber driver. So I've been using Lyft as a service now for I've been using it for a while, but lately I've been using it a lot. And one of the things that I like to do is tip my drivers. As a driver myself, I like to return the favor, but I don't always do it. And so I'm going to lay out the 3 things that I look for as a driver, that the reasons why I leave tips. Okay, so the first one is people who smile. I don't know what it is, but it makes me way more comfortable when my driver smiles. It just makes me feel comfortable. It makes me have a better day. And if they're smiling, they have positive energy, then that just helps me out. Sorry, I look all, got a little 5 o'clock shadow, even though it's noon. But I just kind of woke up running some errands, thought I'd make this quick video. But yeah, so smiling is a great one. Number 2 that I found is ask questions. I don't know what it is, but I guess as humans, we like to feel important. And when somebody asks us questions, personal questions, even if I don't feel like answering, it just makes me feel like, the attention's on me. The other day I had a driver and he talked so much, but it was all about himself. And to be honest, I really didn't care what he was talking about. And then I had another driver and he asked me, sometimes I tell my drivers that I run this YouTube channel, and I had one guy who was like, wow, that's so interesting, send me the link, blah, blah, blah. I ended up tipping him $7 just because he made me feel so, he made me feel so important. And later on I was like, dang, that was kind of a big tip. I don't know if I should have done that. But people tip emotionally, and when you make them feel emotionally, if you can hit this is like the biggest hack of all, or trick, is to make them feel emotional. And if you can hit that emotion, then they're more likely to tip. Let's see. I guess sorry, I'm crossing the street here. It's kind of weird to be out and vlogging while there's people walking by. People are looking at me a little funny, but hey, that's life of a YouTuber, right? So yeah, just, try to ask your passengers questions about themselves. A good one that I like to do is I ask them, if they're young, I ask them, are you a student? Or if they're, I'm a student, so it depends on what they are. If they're a little bit older, you might ask them, what do you do for a living? Or if they're younger, you say, are you a student? What do you study? Blah, blah, blah. What do you want to do with your life? People just like, the attention. I had one guy ask me what I study, what I want to do with my life, and as most of you guys know, I run this channel, and so I have a little bit more of an entrepreneurial mindset. And so, sorry, I'm trying to hide my phone here because I just feel super awkward. But I don't know. Him and I were able to talk out what I wanted to do with my life, and I thought that was really, really cool. And as you guys know, I did interview that one driver, and he was really open to it, and I obviously left him a tip. But yeah, the third one, I'm trying to keep this video short, but the third hack that you guys can use, sorry, I'm a little stumbling here because I'm kind of nervous filming in public as you can see, there's tons of people walking around, or not tons, but here and there. The third one is drive slowly, okay? I really don't care how fast I'm going to get to my destination. If I'm going to get there a minute faster, it's not a huge deal. So just drive slowly accelerate. I've had drivers that speed, and I'm seriously fearing for my life. I mean, these people are trusting you with their life. They're getting inside of a car with you, and that's actually they're putting themselves in danger. So to make them feel safe, just drive slowly, and I don't know, but yeah, don't worry about how fast you're going to get there. If you get there an extra minute late, they're not going to be like, that is Very annoying. I'm gonna have to come back to this video in a second. All right, I need to wrap this video up because I'm getting to the main road. But yeah, just drive slowly, and that'll make your passenger feel more safe, and that's really what you want. So just to sum up really quick, smile, ask them questions, and drive slowly. All right, guys, make sure to use that link in the description if you want to be a driver for a huge sign-on bonus, up to $550 for your first 30 or 60 days, depends on your market. All right, guys, I will talk to you soon. All right, bye.